My name is Steve Langasek, and I manage the Ubuntu Foundations team. Herein follows a status update for the Foundations team's work in 1404. On the key topics that the Foundations team committed to at the beginning of the cycle for the Ubuntu client, we've made good progress with the following tasks completed. The Goldfish emulator for phone and tablet has landed in the archive and is supported by the Ubuntu emulator provisioning tool. While at the beginning of the cycle we had discussed trying to implement OpenGL acceleration pass-through in the cloud, testing has shown that with only SoftwareGL, emulator performance is already 1/3 that of native hardware, which is higher than expected and high enough that we will be proceeding to integrate it as is without further focus on optimization. In this same time period, local cross-build support for Ubuntu apps has been fully integrated via the click-chroot command, and we now have support for Go client software on a cross-architecture basis with GCC Go at version 4.8 in the archive. That still leaves us with a fair amount of work to do for this cycle on the client. As you can see from this slide, much of that work is centered around the emulator. We intend not only to integrate the emulator with the phone SDK for easy desktop testing of apps, but also to propose migration in the archive so that phone-related tests can be run before packages are accepted into the release pocket, and to assist the CI team in using the emulator to expand our continuous integration capacity for upstream packages on the phone. We are also looking forward to wider adoption of the Ubuntu emulator among core devs as a tool for pre-upload testing of packages that are included in the phone images. And as for other work scheduled for this cycle that's not related to the emulator, we have more work around Secure Boot. Much work has been done already to improve our Secure Boot story in the run-up to the 12.04.4 point release, which is just around the corner, but there are some further improvements yet to land for 1404 around supporting enforcement of kernel signing. And we are looking forward to assisting with the delivery of a first prototype converged image to use Mirror on the desktop and support click apps from the Ubuntu App Store.